In this video, I'm going to show you the next step, and that is to create an add-on called Order Page Products Purchased. And then you will be installing that add-on on the order page type. That way, the products that are purchased on that order page are tracked. They're tracked in the local cache as somebody, or in local storage as somebody is going through the funnel. That way, when they get to the redirecting pages, they can kind of bounce that information off of each other. So here's where you're going to go to do that. You're going to want to go into your CF Pro Tools account. Once in your account, you're going to go to your add-ons. You're going to go to create new, and then you're going to search for order page products like that, or order form products purchased. Here, you're going to click on that, and you're going to do, you don't have to do anything. There's no configuration for this. All you have to do is create the add-on script. It will give you a script that looks just like this. You're going to copy that, or you're going to click that blue button, and then you're going to go back into ClickFunnels, just like this. You're going to go to your order page, and you're going to edit that, and you're going to go into the settings, and then you're going to go into the footer code settings so that you can install this. We always install our codes in the footer code settings area. So you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to tracking code, you're going to click on the right side there where the footer code area is, and then you're going to make sure to put in, I already had it in there, so I just removed it and then put it back in with the code that I just created. So you're going to put order form product purchased. That script will go here in the footer code area. Once you're finished with this step is finished. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that save button. All right, see ya.